Today in our EDT class, we had a guest speaker come in and talk to us about mindfulness and the importance of incorporating it into our classroom. She highlighted the importance of students being present in order for them to succeed. I started searching the web for exercises that could help my students be present and how to incorporate mindfulness into my classroom. I found an exercise called the Raisin exercise. This is a great introductory exercise for beginners to start practicing mindfulness, since it can be attempted by anyone with any kind of food. In this exercise, the facilitator provides participants with a few raisins and asks that they pretend that they have never seen a raisin before. The facilitator asks the group to pay attention to the following: the way the raisin looks, how it feels, its smell, and its taste. Focusing on the single object of the raisin is meant to bring the participant's mind to the present, to what is right in front of them. By focusing on the raisin in their hand and making a point to notice everything about it, they are unlikely to be expending energy, time, and attention on worrying about other parts of their lives. This can be a great exercise to use in my future classroom to bring students back to the present and to help them practice mindfulness.